Yes, very good morning to all of you students. Today we will deal with a very important but somewhat confusing question for the students in your question paper. That is question number 27. In my previous class, I have told you about the reporting the following conversation. The question is, the instruction for question number 27 is, report the following conversation. There will be a conversation given in your question paper. You have to report it. That means, I have written here a reported speech. This is a report and you have to report it in another form. That means, this is a transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence means you have to change the form of the structure of the sentence. Bear it in your mind, dear friends, without altering the meaning of the given sentence. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಾರದೇ ಅದರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಡ್ ಥರೋಲಿ ಹೌ ದ reporting the following conversation has been reported. This, for example, now take for example, POP campaigner. POP campaigner. First of all, I will tell you, I am repeating the basic rule in reporting following conversation, given conversation is, you have to remove the quotation marks. This quotation marks you have to remove, and inverted commas if there are, you have to remove it. And then this example, POP campaigner, we want your vote. This comes in the lesson The Voter by Chinua Achebe. Chinua Achebe, a Nigerian story writer. Chinua Achebe, Voter. It is, you will find this conversation on page number 110. 110 ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. Then the solution or the answer, how to write the answer for this conversation, how to write in reported speech, how to report the given conversation. First of all, POP campaigner, he says there are two persons. One is POP campaigner, that is Progressive Organization Party, and then another one is Ruth Okeke, who is campaigning for Marcus, not Madura. Then POP campaigner and Ruth Okeke. There is a conversation between two people, campaigner and Ruth Okeke. First, what POP campaigner says, what he says, I am telling it present tense, because he is telling in present tense. All the given tenses has to be changed into past tense. I have given you, I have already told you in my basic rules that given conversation is in present tense, you have to change it in past tense. Then this one, POP campaigner. First I will read out. We want your vote. POP campaigner says to Ruth Okeke. It is pronounced as Ruth, not Rufus Okeke. Ruth Okeke. He says to Okeke that how can we want your vote? What is the response of Okeke? How can I vote for Maduka? It is a question. This is an assertive sentence, Sada one. And this here comes this interrogative sentence, questionnaire. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೂಫ್ ಓಕೆ ಆಸ್ಕ್ campaigner, how can I vote for Madhuka? Then campaigner again asserts, are you taking this money or not? He again questions. The question of OKK is repeated by POP campaigner, like, are you taking this money or not? That means he is giving some money to OKK. He says, he asks OKK, well, are you taking this money or not? And then Roof OKK, what he says, will it not be heard outside this room? Idin hige ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Will it not be heard outside this room? Allah. It is a question. We have to follow the feelings of OKK. Will it not be heard outside this room? This is questioned by Roof OKK. What is the answer of POP campaigner? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Then, how to report this conversation in your answer? First one, I will tell you what are the changes to be made in this conversation. POP campaigner, here it is we. We have to change it into past tense. We here means the campaigners. That means we changes into they. That means they want. I have to change this into past tense. Wanted. Your POP campaigner is telling to Roof OKK. Your means Roof. Your means Roof. Roof means third person, that is he or him. We want your vote. Even POP campaigner, the answer for this one, POP campaigner told. From whom he is telling? Roof OKK. Told Roof OKK. I will give in a short form. Roof OKK that we changes into they. They wanted his. Him, his. His vote. See here, POP campaigner told to OKK that they wanted his vote. His means OKK's vote. Roof OKK. Then second, you have to continue here. ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Roof OKK. Roof OKK. Here he questions. Roof OKK questions to campaigner. So question or ask. Roof OKK ask. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಅವು ಯಾವುದು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ರೂಫ್ ಓಕೆಗೆ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹೂಮ್. ರೂಫ್ ಓಕೆಗೆ ಆಸ್ಕ್ POP campaigner ಹೌ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಹೌ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ವಾ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಆರ್ ವೆದರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಇಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಹೌ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಸಾರಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ರೂಫ್ ಓಕೆಗೆ ಆಸ್ಕ್ POP ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನರ್ ಹೌ I means nobody but roof OKK. How he can change this into could. How he could vote for Madhuka. Question number question mark ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ this becomes an assertive sentence. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು. POP ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನರ್ ರೂಫ್ ಓಕೆಗೆ ಆಸ್ಕ್ POP ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನರ್ ಹೌ ಹಿ ಕುಡ್ ವೋಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಧುಕಾ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಹೌ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಹೌ ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಕುಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಐ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಹಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಐ ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಓಕೆಗೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ he could vote for Madhuka. Then again POP campaigner asked, here it is to be verb. ಯಾವಾಗ to be verb ಬರ್ತಾವೆಯೋ ಆಗ that means am, is, are, do, does, has, have, had ಇಂಥವು ಬಂದಾಗ you have to use if he, who is here, are you means again roof okay. That means whether he, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ರೂಫ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ರೂಫ್ ಓಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? he campaigner asked if not if ಇದು if he was R changes into was, he was taking this changes into that money or not. This completes. POP campaigner asked roof okay if he was taking that money or not. Then roof okay ಏನಂತಾನೆ ಇವನು roof okay will it not be heard outside this room? He questions again that POP campaigner. So whether will ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಆರು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇರು ಆರು ವೇರು ಡು ಡಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ರೂಫ್ ಓಕೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಫ್ ಓಕೆಗೆ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಇಫ್ will it not be heard outside this room? If it was not heard outside that room. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಯಾಕೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ will it not be, will that not be, will that not be, it was a ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ he will. If that was not heard outside that room, POP campaign ಯಾವಾಗ ಯು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಡಬಾರ್ದು. POP ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ told okay not to worry about it ತಂದಿದೆ that. It changes into that. First one is POP campaigner. We want your vote. Says to Rufu KK. POP campaigner told Rufu KK that they wanted that wanted ಆಗುತ್ತೆ they ಆಗುತ್ತೆ that they wanted his vote. His means Roof OKK. His vote. Roof OKK. Again, this one Roof OKK asked POP campaigner how he could vote for Maduka. How can I vote for Maduka? How he could vote for Maduka. Then POP campaigner asked or questions Roof OKK if he was taking that money or not. If he was taking that money or not. Roof OKK. Again questions here. Roof OKK questions are asked whether it would not asked if that should not be was that would would ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If that would not heard outside that room. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Roof OKK asked POP campaigner whether or if that would not be heard outside that room. The last one, POP campaigner asserts or told Roof OKK not to worry about it. Don't worry about it. Allah. Don't ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ not to worry about it. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ that ಅಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 5 marks. Thank you very much.